In a deep, mysterious jungle, surrounded by tall trees and thick bushes, there lived a lion unlike any other. His name was Leo. He was strong, brave, and had a golden mane, but what made him different were his glowing red eyes. At night, Leo's eyes shined brightly like two burning flames. When he walked through the jungle, his eyes lit up the dark paths. Because of this, all the animals were afraid of him. "Stay away from the red-eyed lion," the deer would whisper. "He must be dangerous," said the monkeys, as they quickly climbed the trees. Even the big elephants avoided him. But Leo was not dangerous at all. Deep inside, he was kind, gentle, and lonely. He wished he had friends to talk to and play with. Every evening, Leo would sit alone near the river and watch other animals playing together. He felt sad, but never complained. One night, a heavy storm hit the jungle. Thunder roared, lightning flashed, and strong winds shook the trees. All the animals ran to find shelter. In the middle of the storm, a small rabbit named Mimi got lost. "Help! Someone help me!" she cried, her tiny voice shaking with fear. Leo heard her cry from far away. Without wasting a moment, he ran toward the sound. His glowing red eyes cut through the darkness, helping him see clearly in the storm. When Leo found Mimi, she was trembling and crying. "Please, don't hurt me," Mimi said, closing her eyes in fear. Leo spoke in a soft, calm voice. "Don't be afraid. I am here to help you." Slowly, Mimi opened her eyes. She was surprised. The lion's red eyes were glowing, but they felt warm, not scary. "I lost my way," Mimi said. "It's okay," Leo replied kindly. "Follow me. I will take you home." Through the rain and wind, Leo carefully guided Mimi. His glowing eyes acted like lights, showing them the safe path. After some time, they reached Mimi's home. Her family was worried, but when they saw her safe, they were overjoyed. "The lion saved me," Mimi said happily. The next morning, Mimi told all the animals about Leo's kindness. "He is not scary at all," she said. "His eyes helped me in the dark. He is kind and brave." At first, the animals didn't believe her. But slowly, they began to notice Leo's true nature. They saw him helping others, sharing food, and protecting smaller animals. One day, the animals gathered and decided to thank Leo. They went to him together. Leo was surprised and a little nervous. The elephant stepped forward and said, "We are sorry, Leo. We judged you without knowing you." The monkeys added, "Your red eyes are not scary, they are special." Leo smiled for the first time in a long while. From that day on, Leo was no longer feared. He had many friends, and the jungle was full of joy and laughter. And whenever the night became dark, Leo's glowing red eyes lit up the jungle not with fear, but with hope and friendship. Moral of the story: never judge someone by their appearance. True beauty lies in kindness and actions.